In front of me is Samsung Galaxy A16 and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off easy mode. First of all, launch settings and scroll a tiny bit to click on display. Now scroll again and this time click on easy mode available here. To enable or disable it, use this switcher next to it and wait. Now, if you decided you don't want to switch it on, you can also manage those two options. Touch and hold delay, click on one of those, or select custom, and decide amount of time after your screen will respond to touch over here. You can also pick one of those, choose try it out, and try it out here. If you wish to, you can also click on hide contrast keyboard, pick one of those, or disable it fully thanks to this switcher and switch to standard one. When you finished with those two options, go back to check out your simple layout. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!